Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the safe mode in the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. As you can see, is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with the model number of SM950F. So what you have to do is that first of all, press and hold the power key and then discharge your phone. Then you have to press and hold the volume up and down key. So I am pressing and holding them both. It's restarting. So as you can see that it's now safe mode in the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So that was an easy method. As you can see that most of my third-party apps wouldn't work in this phone because the safe mode is now turned on. So as you can see that it's turned on. Now for turning it off, what you have to do is that it's just simple that you have to just discharge your phone. You have to press and hold the power key and discharge your phone. It's restarting. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 logo. So as you can see that there's no safe mode now. Just because of restarting, it was a simple method to just turn on and turn off the safe mode. So as you can see, it's now done. So thank you for thank you for seeing the video, watching the video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Peace on.